What's up, people? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Audi A3 behind us. Now, in the past, these vehicles haven't had a lot of flexibility. You've got your center muffler in the rear, and then you've got a resonator in the middle, and then you've got the OEM downpipe up front. But in this video, what we did is we installed the T-style muffler in place of a muffler delete, which was there before, which is terrible. But the T muffler is way better. We've got some nice carbon fiber tips on the end, and we're going to show you in this video how a good 2-liter TFSI engine sounds with the universal muffler installed. Again, this T-style muffler, it's been a huge success for us, whether it's on this, Golf GTI, other Audi products like a Q3, or these cars, the rear section is all about the same. There's no room in the midsection for the traditional universal muffler, but the T-style muffler is the way to go. In this video, we're going to show you all the sound characteristics, startup, revs, flybys, interior accelerations, launch control, all the jazz. And this car does have a free flow CTS downpipe and a resonator delete. So it's pretty much straight piped with the valve muffler, but you get huge flexibility. Let's hear it. Peeps, we're inside the A3 right now. Got the exhaust valves closed, and again, remember, this car pretty much straight pipe. Like, it's really, really loud with the valves open. With the valves closed, 1800 RPM, no drone, no unwanted frequencies. Listen, we say it all the time. If you're gonna have a fun kind of sports car like this or daily driver, you gotta have the flexibility. This person came in here with a muffler delete. That sucks. Like, it's so droney, so obnoxious. Really a compromised experience. But now he's going to have no compromises, because with the valves closed, sounds like stock. With the valves open, though, you really get some great sound.
What we got going on in the back seat?
A child seat and an E85 container. Did someone say priorities?